Hi, my name is Mikhail, and it's nice to see you again. Hope you're doing well. As you can see outside here in Vancouver, spring is just around the corner, and spring is always a very powerful time. A time for renewal, a time for healing, a time of letting go of anything that doesn't serve you anymore, old habits, chronic patterns of stress, disease, and dysregulation, and creating some new habits by learning some new tools and practice them in a safe group environment. You Are the Healer workshop is something that I've done now for years. I've taught hundreds of people these tools that will benefit you immediately with chronic pain, stored trauma, stored stress, arthritis, headaches, migraines, and an array of symptoms that really all stem from a dysregulated nervous system and the habitual patterns that the mind and the body creates to manage, to store, to try to get through whatever you needed to get through. So You Are the Healer workshop is Saturday, April the 6th from 1 to 6 o'clock. So you have 5 hours to experience, to inquire, and to participate in applying those tools. You'll be taught them separately, and then you will experience them sequentially also, and it can be quite powerful. And sometimes in one day you can shed off years of pain, years of suffering. So You Are the Healer workshop is something that I've created to help you in the process of your own healing and recovery, and also connecting to the wisdom and intelligence of your body. We often don't have that chance or opportunity to reconnect to our bodies in a very powerful and provocative way. And in my experience working now facilitating for many groups, there's always those big aha moments where we start to connect things, when we start to connect the dots, when we start to realize things that we couldn't realize before, even remember things we've forgotten. But most importantly, to start applying those tools to regain confidence, to recover, to heal, and to build some resilience in our mind and our body. And these days we need that. We all need that. So come join us for an amazing day, a day that is filled with beautiful people that are on the same journey as you are. Give yourself that opportunity to explore, give yourself that opportunity to heal. And I'm making it accessible as always. There's a sliding scale fee for the workshop. You can look at the details on my website and reserve your spot. Bring a friend, bring a family member. I've had many times friends come in or family members come in together or couples come in. It's an incredible opportunity to heal in community, in a safe environment, to explore, to learn, and to rejoice again. So join me.